You may have heard how our edge-to-cloud connected platform, Wind River Studio, empowers you to quickly develop, deploy, and operate software-defined features. One of the fundamental processes that enables that capability is the digital feedback loop, where developers use insights from vehicle data to create enhancements which can be deployed back to vehicles. In some cases, the intelligence to get those insights is located on the vehicle, while we use the cloud to identify insights at a fleet level. However, in all cases, deep domain knowledge is key. One place where we've applied our knowledge about mobility is in the Aptiv Connect platform. Aptiv Connect uses connectivity and high-speed data acquisition to capture all kinds of data about a vehicle's operation, transmit it to the cloud, and present it to fleet managers in an intuitive way. This gives data users greater insights into their fleets, delivered through a single pane of glass. We're rolling this out today globally with commercial vehicle fleet managers and have found it can save them more than $2,500 per vehicle by improving fuel economy, reducing unexpected downtime, and streamlining vehicle operations. One example, preemptive repair. Aptiv Connect tracks data on coolant levels, fluid temperatures, oil life, and many other factors, and knows which ones indicate that service will be needed soon. Fleet managers can use those insights to avoid unscheduled repairs, towing, and diagnosis. Aptiv Connect has several distinct advantages over competing solutions. High frequency. We capture thousands of vehicle signals at the highest frequency in the industry, more than 100 Hz, alerting you to critical events that other solutions miss. Pre-processing. Data science models on the edge extract valuable insights in real time. Low transmission and storage costs. Only the rich data is transmitted to the cloud, keeping transmission and storage costs as low as possible. Flexibility. Aptiv Connect is highly configurable and flexible, both in terms of the devices and the clouds on which it runs. Support. We support nearly every make and model of commercial vehicle, and we can operate across mixed vehicle fleets, eliminating the cost of customizing software for each make or model. Really, the secret to our advanced insights is our decades of experience conducting data analytics on 70% of the world's top OEMs in pre- and early production environments. We have the industry's largest commercial vehicle data fleet. Now, we are applying all of that expertise to the entire vehicle lifecycle. And many of those same capabilities and algorithms are just as applicable to passenger vehicles as they are to commercial vehicles. In short, Aptiv Connect puts data to work for fleets in ways no one else can. Thank you.